Hey, the next rocket we're doing is Epic number 2, a second stager. But however, we are not going, the parachute is not there on this rocket. So that means that we had to. Okay, 3, 2. Slow-mo recording, Dad? You now? 3, 2, 1. Oh, scheisse! Holy scheisse! Whoa! What the fudge? What the fudge? Oh! Wow! Holy scheisse! Oh my god, it slammed to the ground! Oh no.
I almost hit you in the head.
Scheisse!
Man, so much for Epic 2.
Oh no, it's destroyed in pieces. First ever anomaly failed. Damn.
Man.
It's a failure, no. I had to buy more rockets.
Yeah. Well, just get used to that. You're going to have to buy lots of rockets. It's a hobby.
Ow, maybe the wadding is incorrect.
I don't know what was incorrect, but something was.
Fudge. Oh my god.